Welcome back. It's a beautiful Thursday morning here in Auckland, last day of November. I'm here for a domestic violence talk. We've got Ryan Siakia from the police and Jenny Palalagi from Women's Refuge. Hey, come talk about it. Food smells good. Pretty excited. Here's Reverend's Inga's family. Just gonna go in now, check it out. Yeah, oh, here's the police is here. Here's the police. Here's the police. Hey, Roy. These are all the guest speakers. Probably won't record. What have you prepared to see?
I've prepared what you'll prepare.
Yeah, we came prepared. Me and Kendra came prepared. Looking forward. Anytime, any place. That's what a champion of change is. We don't back down, eh?
No.
When we're asked to stand, we stand. Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah. She gave me a shout out.
Sorry, but now always money. When I came from out west, when I went out this place to learn what's happening. This is for the fuata, up to us. That's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah, what's your name? Lee.
Oh. Lee Makavani.
Mum always comes out west.
You always write on the YouTube. No,
yes,
man, Lee Makavani does all the shout outs. Yeah. Finally get to me.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
And support you.
Yeah. Makawalahi.
Fakalofa lahiat. What else do you want me to say?
Oh, you're the
Well, it's one of the constructive conversation we have with the police in terms of how to get into the police force. They walk us through the process, and I like to, and I very much appreciate because now the height restriction, it's removed. So if you're short, it doesn't matter. If you've got the spirit, get on to it.
Oh, yeah.
Not only sitting in under me, but while they're studying, they can get a certificate while studying with me as well. Other than the ones that we are going to give them at the end of 36 weeks.
Hãy các bạn là có mấy cái món này cái tập tụ ta là cái hôm nay là một chỉ cái hình hoa thì đây coi là lăng thực lăng cái một cái năng này sau cái slippery rock cái theo xin là hệ mà huyết là hệ hàn mà hệ kalau tu là tao không ta lăng tu các nhà lăng ta nhà tu speak to our youth, speak to our younger children because at this age and stage they don't want to listen to that theory. We were just there to push, but it's said that our audience is a mixture of our older people, which honestly we're just here to talk over their day to day, and now the people actually to be quite honest, it is good to hear some of these talents that are coming through from our Niuean fuatas, but actually it is for our younger generation. So what I did is, the reason, the name for the group is Lalanga Whakatupuolaola, and I thought, well, it's a little bit boring for me as an older person to sit and listen like pretty much 2 hours. So I decided to utilize some of our harakeke outside and make something useful and meaningful for the day-to-day. So I decided to make some puti puti, which is fisila koutou our Niuean. So I thought, oh, we'll just do some lalanga and add a little frangipani flour, which is frangipani flour, and just say this is the lau niu on the background, and you know, just put it together, and then we'll, you know, which is very meaningful for that day today. It's lalanga tupuolaola. So thank you very much, John. Really enjoyed the day, and just continue with your good work with our mental health. Like people say that there's not a lot of us anywhere you're coming through, but but it's we can't compare ourselves to the Samoan and the Tongans. Yeah, Whakaue lahi. Hey, tulo. Yeah.
How did you start yours? And what did you?
Whakaalo whatu makau. I got a follow. Got another person. What's your handle?
Oh, you gotta. You're putting me on the spot.
No. Thanks for coming. We got GI out here.
GI out here, but don't forget, guys, like, follow and subscribe to this guy.
Yeah. We're waiting for your channel, man. Whakaalo whatu makau. Man, awesome Fono. Ryan Siakia had an awesome tutala. Jenny Palalagi, awesome. Also Kendra, man, Kendra had a nice speech. And also Carlos, awesome speech, brother, wise words. And then it was good. Yeah, there was also Noame, who's our leader, my mom, Inga, and Halo, and Audrey. Man, awesome speeches. I'm just finished now. Very lole lahi au. Leo atu au ki kaina. Ke mohe. Lave au. Awesome. Seems like the feedback was quite good. Tried to get some interviews in there, but not everyone's keen on the camera. Yeah, I gotta go home and pick up the kids from school soon. Pick up the other half from work. Organize dinner, then go back to work. But yeah, that was awesome. Whakatupuola mui. That's the Niue framework for working with families and domestic violence. It's awesome. The food, man, Inga and Ala. The Niue talo, the vala bovi, the moa, the salad, potato salad, koifanga. Yeah, so yeah, if you want some more advice on domestic violence, or courses or getting into the police, we have Vi. I forgot to Vi. She works at Te Wanaga, at the Te Wanaga. And if she's always looking out for our Niue people. So if you're Niue or not Niue, just let me know. And she's an awesome resource to have. She really cares about the people. She had a few of her students come and just talk that they've had a total mindset change and how they approach things. Yeah, so Vi, awesome. And then there's Ryan, if you wanted to get into the police. There's Jenny, if you wanted to work in Women's Refuge, wanted to go down that route, or connections. And Kendra for the educational services. Yeah, it's quite a few. But if you just want to get fit, you want to get in shape, then contact me. Go on. Sino Mui Niue. Okay. Speaking too much now. Hope you guys have a good day. Looking forward to the next video. Kia monuina, to wheleweia.